There's a new beta for sequences that you're going to want to opt into immediately because everyone's been asking for it in the HubSpot community, and it is A/B testing with your emails and sequences. You used to have to do workarounds to try and compare how different emails are performing against one another. That's no longer the case. So first, you want to opt into the beta. If you don't know how to do that, leave me a message here on LinkedIn, shoot me a DM, or leave a comment. But once you have that activated, you'll go under your sequences. You can either get this set up with a new sequence or within an existing sequence. So I'm inside an existing sequence right now. And as I scroll down, you'll see this option here to add an A/B test. So I've got version A in here already. I'm just going to put version B here. And as you can see, real time, you're going to be able to compare and contrast which email is performing better. It's going to send the emails out equally to contacts as they're enrolled. You're probably going to want to test smaller changes so that you can actually isolate what's working. And you're going to probably want to get about 100 people tested on these things before you start making changes based on the results of the A/B test. So this is massive. For sales engagement tools, this is something that you have to have. HubSpot has it now. Go try this out and let me know what you think.